Good morning to you all. Once again, today I am come up with a video on the tea. Mostly we Indian have the tea brand, and that is Brook Red Label Nature Care, Natural Care. Uh, you get Brook Red Label Normal Tea, which is also very tasty. If you want to have and experience the Indian chai, then this is the brand which we love it, and I'm sure you all will also love it. Now I come up with this red label nature care because it is based on Ayurveda and it is enhances immunity. So to build up your immune system, it really helps. Like it keeps you away from cough and cold because it has got 5 natural ingredients. The first one is Ashwagandha, the second one is Mulethi, the third is Tulsi, the fourth is Cardomom, and the fifth is ginger. It is very good and healthy tea. If you have this 1 cup in the morning with milk, or you can have a plain cup of tea, and it is beneficial. So this company is now over 140 years and it is doing very well, and it's a perfect cup of tea. At least we love it, and I'm sure you will also all love it. So it's very easy to make chai, and I will show you a video how we do Indian chai, like how you get it in restaurant style, same way. And you will as you start having this red label natural care tea, you will get the benefits. Now there are many people who doesn't like this to have directly this flavor. So what you can do, 1 teaspoon of normal red label tea powder and 1 teaspoon of uh, Brook natural care red label. So you can use 1 teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of that, and use 1.5 cup water. So I will show you our tea, and then you can accordingly do and enjoy the flavor of Indian chai. And let me know how do you find about this tea in your country when it is very chilled and cold. This is the best to keep you warm. It's having 5 natural ingredients, which is awesome ingredients which they have mixed up and made into a tea. So I hope you get benefit out of this also, and enjoy the Indian chai, Brook Red Label, Natural Care. Thank you.